So this is a new project, pretty much is another thing we're gonna have going on. Right now he's cutting the bamboo. As you can see how high it is, super high. But yeah, so we're cutting the bamboo to do the pig pen. I'm gonna try to walk through here so I can show y'all better. But we already took some dirt. I think we took, we took 15 bags of dirt. We took 15 bags of dirt to that lot that we're gonna do the pig pen. And now we're gonna get 7 bamboos from here. As you see, they're very long, and we're gonna drag it over there. Well, not drag it, but they're gonna take it. For this, it's gonna be $350. We're gonna pay $350 so they can cut it, and they're gonna take it all the way over there. The bags, we paid $225 for them to get the bags. And hello. Paid $250 for the bags of sand to be carried or taken over there. Oh yeah, you can see him already in action. Wow.
Boss. Governor kasi paano?
Governor oil?
Oh.
Today we're also gonna go to the market and we're gonna buy the sacks of cement, and we're gonna take them down there. Once we do that, then we're gonna get the pig pen started, and then I'll show y'all how it looks like over there. He's right there inside. Well, he got one already, huh? She's gonna... Alright, we're on the other side, and this is where it fell. Here's the bamboo. So he cut it and it fell all the way over here. You can see how long it is. So 7 of these.
Amo lang sundang, no? Amo lang sundang.
Careful. Alright, well, this is part 1. Y'all stay tuned for part 2 and the progress. Like, comment, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell so you can know when we drop in the next video. Patreon link in the bio.